Hi, this is Project Management Leadership Development Training. I am your presenter, Aaron Aves. For my professional background, I am a T-shaped professional who successfully delivered multi-million projects for the past 15 years, achieving a minimum of 15% gross profit margin. I've handled program of projects in information technology, ELB systems, and state-of-the-art control room with Tier 3 data centers. Delivered projects worth 200,000 to 30 million budgetary allocation. For my academic background, I am currently a PMP certified, a PMI RMP certified, an MBA holder with a bachelor's degree of business administration majoring in economics. Our agenda for today are the following. We have the objectives, issues at hand, how to be an effective project manager, how to be an effective team member, most significant skill of the project manager, and project management process focusing on resource management. Here are our objectives for today. We have to understand how to be an effective project manager. We need to understand how to be an effective team member. And we need to understand the importance and functions of project management processes focused on resource management. Global Green Books publishing issues are the following. They have shortages of resources, specifically supervisors. They have conflicts among their team members. They require skill development trainings. They have inefficiency in managing of resources, lack of monitoring of resources, and they need improvement of project management office. How to be an effective project manager. Supervisors must demonstrate effective leadership, serving as a source of inspiration and motivation for their team. Additionally, they should excel in managerial responsibilities, ensuring the project's goals are achieved on a daily and moment-to-moment basis. A crucial aspect of being a good motivator includes actively listening to team members, understanding the challenges they face, and recognizing their individual needs. Some of the differences between the managers and leaders are presented on this illustration. Like leaders sets a compelling vision, inspires and motivates others towards a shared goal, and encourages innovation and change. On the other hand, manager focuses on operational goals, plans and executes tasks to achieve predetermined objectives. Another function that is more focused on leader as a big picture, long-term strategies and direction of the organization or team, and manager concentrates on day-to-day operations, ensuring tasks are completed efficiently and within specified parameters. In team development, a team charter must be established, which is a document that outlines the purpose, goals, roles, responsibilities, and expectations of a team. It serves as a foundational guide to help team members align their efforts and work toward a common objective. Conflict is inevitable and a natural part of any project. An effective conflict resolution is essential for maintaining a positive team dynamic and ensuring project success. The following describes the 7 sources of a conflict in order of frequency. We have the schedule, project priorities, resources, technical opinions, administrative procedures, costs, and personality. When it comes to resolving conflicts, different strategies can be employed depending on the situation and individuals involved. These are withdraw or avoid. We have smooth or accommodate, compromise or reconcile, force or direct, collaborate or problem solve. It is important to assess each conflict situation individually and determine the most appropriate strategy based on the context, nature of the conflict, and dynamic between the involved parties. Flexibility and willingness to adapt strategies may be necessary as conflicts evolve or new information emerges. The conflicts are best resolved at the level they arise. That is, the project team needs to make an effort to establish a solid process so that members know how to resolve conflicts among themselves before involving the project manager or any higher level individual. In managing resources and conflict resolution process, it is also important to understand Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This image shows the hierarchy of human need satisfaction from physiological, safety, up to the love and belongingness, self-esteem, and finally the self-actualization. With the current issues at hand, one of the best examples to address the need of self-esteem is to implement a team incentive plan. A team incentive plan is a program designed to motivate and reward a group of individuals working together towards a common goal or project. It aims to align the team's effort with organizational objectives, foster collaboration, and enhance overall performance. Project management skills are not only becoming mandatory for project managers alone, but they are equally important for the team members as well. These skills help the team members in gaining a good understanding and phases involved in delivering the project successfully. The following are 7 key skills to be an effective project team members. Number 1, you should understand the basic project management knowledge, problem-solving skills. We have conflict resolution skills, team conversation, risk management, customer management skills, and technical documentation. I believe that though project managers require a diverse set of skills to excel their role, one skill that stands out as particularly crucial is effective communication. Clear and concise communication is essential for project managers to convey expectations, goals, and priorities to team members, stakeholders, and clients. It helps in fostering collaboration, resolve conflicts, and ensuring everyone is on the same page throughout the project lifecycle. Effective communication includes active listening, articulate ideas, providing feedback, adapting communication styles to suit different audiences. It enables project managers to build strong relationships, establish trust, and ultimately drive successful project outcomes. The project management process refers to the set of activities and sets the project managers and their teams undertake a successful initiate, plan, execute, monitor, and control, and close a project. First and foremost, a project charter must be established, signed, and approved by higher management. This is a formal document that officially authorizes the initiation of a project. It outlines the project's objectives, scope, stakeholder, deliverables, and high-level strategies. The project charter serves as a reference and guiding documents throughout the project's lifecycle. Then establish a resource management plan, which includes resource breakdown structure, which is the hierarchical representation of the resource required for a project. It organizes and categorizes the project's resources in a structured format, providing a clear overview of the types of resources needed and their respective levels of details. This is the project organizational chart, which illustrates the reporting relationships, roles, and responsibilities within the project team. It visually represents how team members are organized and who reports to whom. Also, ensure that team roles and responsibilities are detailed under the resource management plan to ensure team cohesion and effectiveness. In addition, a RASI matrix must be established, which is a project management tool used to define and clarify the roles and responsibilities of a project stakeholder in relation to specific tasks and deliverables. In order to monitor assigned resources on a work packages, a WBS or work breakdown structure and schedule must first be developed and established as a baseline. This is a sample chart of a summary of the overall high-level overview of the project timeline and key milestone. While this is an example of a project baseline to ensure the monitoring of a schedule and tasks, with this schedule, project managers are able to identify, estimate, acquire the necessary resources, and assign each work package to manage and monitor as the project progresses. This is an example of estimate activity resource process, an example of acquire resource process. This is an example of develop team process, which with 5 stages of group development from forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. As well, this is an example of a resource allocation sheet that just can be established to monitor the resource utilization or occupancy. Project status and project progress reports are essential tools for monitoring and communicating the current state of a project. These reports provide stakeholders with an overview of the project's progress, highlighting achievements, challenges, and upcoming tasks. Listed here are some of the ways to improve the PMO of the company. We have defined the PMO purpose and objectives, gain executive support, establish governance and processes, define PMO functions and services, implement tools and technology, staff the PMO, communicate and train the team members, pilot projects and continuous improvement, and measure and demonstrate value. Lastly, it is crucial to foster collaboration and knowledge sharing. Encourage collaboration and knowledge sharing among PMO staff and project teams. Facilitate regular meetings, workshops, and training sessions to exchange ideas, lessons learned, and best practice. Implement a centralized project repository or knowledge management system to store and share project-related information. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. Again, this is Aaron Aves, your presenter, saying thank you and goodbye.